Emotional ups and downs are measured by a well-being index which ranges from 0 to 10 in increasing levels of happiness. The graph shows the index over a 4-week cycle. Develop a trig equation to describe the relationship between the well-being index I and the time t. So let's just have a look at this graph. Okay, I can see that I have a mean position at 5, and this is oscillating about this y equals 5 or I equals 5. It goes up 5, it goes down 5, so my amplitude is 5. I can see it covers one whole period in 4 weeks, and so that then gives me enough information to develop my equation. This looks like a sine curve. It starts at my mean position, so I'm going to select a sine curve. I'm going to say in the form y equals a sine of b x minus h plus k, and I have said that my amplitude is 5, and I can see it's not reflected, so that means my amplitude is positive, not reflected, so a is greater than 0. I know that my period is equal to 4, and to find my b value, it's going to be 2 pi on my period, so that's going to be 2 pi on 4, and that is pi on 2. I can see I've got no phase shift, so h is equal to 0, but k is equal to 5, because my mean value is at I equals 5. So if we put that all together, y is going to be 5 on 2t plus 5. All right, now, next thing they've said is a person with a well-being index of 6 or higher is considered to experience a high level of happiness. Calculate the percentage of the 4-week cycle during which the model predicts high levels of happiness will be experienced. Now, this is a TechActive question. So to find those values, what we're going to do is use our calculator in radian mode. You're going to say, using GDC, and you're going to sketch the graph. I've already put the Cartesian plane there, and I'm going to copy it from my calculator. This is what it looks like, and I'm going to put the value of 6 in. Okay, and when I do that, this is at y equals 6, I'm going to find these 2 points over here, and you have to label them. Okay, as part of using your calculator, you're going to label them as 0.13 and 6, and 1.87 and 6. Okay, and that way I can figure out how many weeks out of the 4 weeks I is greater than 6. So we're looking for this value here above 6. Okay, so my number of weeks that I is greater than 6 will just be 1.87 minus my 0.13, which is 1.74 weeks. So my percentage of time in my high level of happiness must be 1.74 out of my 4, and that's 43.5%. Okay, So therefore, the person is happy 43.5% of the time.